Welcome back to my channel Features of World. We see how bread, sandwiches and hamburgers, which are common in our daily life, are made. Welcome to the art of making. Wheat flour, salt, water and yeast are the main ingredients required for making bread. The ingredients, which are weighed in precise quantities, are mixed well using this mixing machine. The dough made in this way is cut using a machine, proportional to the weight of the bread. The next step is to pass this dough through a special machine and roll it out. Powder is sprinkled on the dough rolls to prevent them from sticking while moving through conveyors and being shaped in molds. Then this dough is brought to a machine called a molder through a conveyor. This machine rolls the dough into the required length and thickness and deposits it into molds. This is a machine that cuts the dough into small pieces to make sandwiches and hamburgers. The cut dough is rolled into small balls. All of these are powdered and transported to the next section in special molds. After that, the dough balls are shaped into sandwiches and hamburgers using a molder and collected in baking boats. Fermentation is the process that starts with adding yeast to the flour. Yeast eats the sugar in the flour and produces carbon dioxide and alcohol. This carbon dioxide causes the flour to rise. The final stage of this type of fermentation is proofing, which is the next step in bread making. For this, the flour is passed through the spiral conveyor tower seen here at a temperature of 42 degrees Celsius for an hour. When the fermentation process is complete, the flour has risen well and filled the mold, taking the original shape of a bread. Then, toppings are sprinkled on top of the bread for decoration and flavor. Many of you must be wondering how these machines work together so precisely. This is made possible by the combined action of sensors, motors, and computers. Take this topping process itself as an example. The sensor is what sees this. This sensor senses the arrival of the bread and transmits that information to the computer. The computer rotates the motor and the topping falls. Let's get back to making bread itself. Cool down properly. For this, the bread, sandwiches and hamburgers coming out of the oven are transported through conveyors. For everyone, the bread is transferred from the mold to another conveyor using a special wheel. A spiral conveyor is used to cool the bread items that are separated from the molds. The next step is to pack the cold bread items coming out of the tower. The bread is filled in plastic bags using automatic machines and sealed. A machine of this